Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. We're back with one of our favorites, Bibbidi Bobbidi. All right.
This seems like a large box, right?
It does. It's a lot
It's
bigger.
large. I just want to say that I really love the little icons on these boxes. They make me so happy when they show up at the door.
Yep.
Especially the snacks.
I just love Bibbidi Bobbidi. I know last month we had a box that maybe got a little bit of bad juju from us. But Bibbidi Bobbidi reached out to us like that night that the video dropped, and we have been just totally happy with the response. And
let me just say though that we weren't unhappy with the merchandise. Like you loved it.
I loved it. I really did. Good job, Josh. Josh, I didn't mean to bash you, Josh.
I mean, you loved everything in that box. The problem was that it was my birthday, and I just wanted other things. But you know what? It's fine. We like the merchandise. It's of great value. We've never had an issue with value.
Never.
And apparently, Bibbidi is doing something new with their customer service. A ticket system of some sort, which we've never used.
No.
They reached out to us personally, and you know, I've gone through and done several upgrades on my preference list, so looking forward to the box. And
disclaimer, I mean, even though the video seemed like negative, we did not do anything. We did not change anything. We did not ask for a refund.
Oh no.
We are still super happy with Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, and we will continue to get them. And so check them out. Go check out Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. Pick one up for yourself. You'll love it.
You will.
So let's get to it. Thank you again, Josh, for the previous boxes. And let's see who curated. Let's see who curated this box.
I'm excited. It's got some weight to it too. I don't know why you do that, Rob. We can't see anything in there when you do that. And Josh.
All right.
It's
Here we go, Josh.
There's no such thing as talent, only inspiration and ambition. I think this is his card.
I think so. I think that Bibbidi, like each person that curates boxes there, curates.
Get their own card, maybe. Yeah. I don't know. We could be wrong.
All right.
We got some. Okay. This is our.
So, there's our spoiler alert.
What's inside? I just want to see if I can see what box it is.
Okay.
I can't.
Right, so we got some nice lavender paper and the Bibbidi sticker.
I'm not going to look at there because I don't want to spoil it.
All right. Not quite sure what box this is, but
I don't know.
You'll know before us because it'll be in the title.
All right.
All right.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Open! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Josh knows that we are.
Shut the front door!
We are collecting Pop Funkos now.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
That is totally
I'm in shock. I never thought in a million years. This is Sleeping Beauty's castle with a Mickey Mouse. People, look at this. Oh my gosh!
Is she excited?
Oh my gosh!
Now, as she was taken out of the box,
door.
there's actually another part that fell in here.
What do you mean?
Okay, there we go.
Oh.
So a piece from the box.
I can't even believe this.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
This is new too. It's the 65th anniversary.
That is.
So, and there's other parts to it as well that I'm looking to collect. I have none of it right now. So this is my first. Oh my gosh.
Josh, 1 for 1. Buddy, that's amazing.
I'm just going to hold it right here. You go ahead.
All right, I guess I'm going to open the rest of the box. And I'm pretty excited about this as well. This had actually slipped down.
It was in here?
Yeah. So
How
Metal
did you
Earth.
even see that?
Because as you were picking it up, I saw it slide
Oh
into
my
the
gosh.
box.
Okay.
So here is a Metal Earth
Cinderella's castle?
of Cinderella's castle. Yeah.
I love it. And it's got the color. It's the blue.
color. It's the color.
We are going to put some of these together eventually.
Yeah. Eventually.
I'm excited about that.
All right, so we're back. We're having a little bit of drama in the house right now. Baby squirrel in the yard, and its little baby sibling maybe not.
Didn't make it.
So
we don't really know what to do at this point,
but we're super excited about the box so far.
Okay.
All right, it looks like we got one more piece in here. We are definitely quality over quantity.
Oh my! Holy guacamole!
Oh,
yeah,
nope,
that doesn't work for us.
Nope, didn't work either.
Don't do that.
All right, here we go. Oh.
Wait, here, let me help you.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Is it bigger?
No, it's the same size. So I actually have one of these, but I'm super excited. I love Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah.
And listen, if you've watched our videos, these mugs are going for $30, $40 on eBay. Wow. I'm not going to eBay it, but I'm just telling you that this is a great mug from the Disney parks.
I'll eBay it.
No, you won't. So this is my mug that I'm drinking out of today. It's Dumbo, and it's the same like style.
Yeah.
So there's Dumbo and now Alice. So awesome. Okay, let's open our spoiler.
All right, so you have the spoiler alert.
Okay, here it is. So this doesn't tell me what box it is, which is odd, but it's okay. So Disney Alice in Wonderland sketch ceramic mug, $16.95, but really we know that it's worth more than that.
Right.
This box was lovingly curated by Josh.
They want you to know that it was curated by Josh.
Price $0 for Josh to do that.
Josh, you know what? That right there is like priceless.
Right,
okay?
It is priceless.
It is
I think
priceless.
that's what they were trying to say. Funko Pop Towns, Disneyland 65th Sleeping Beauty Castle, and Mickey Mouse Funko Pop, $30. Really? That's it?
I would
think
that
that
thing
was
is more.
Okay, and then Disney Parks exclusive Disney Castle Metal Earth, $19.99. So $66.94.
So this must be the $59 box.
$59 box.
Yeah. Which I don't know which one that is. Wishes, Dreams, or Fantasy, one of the three.
That would be the Fantasy, the bigger one, yeah.
Awesome.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. This was a great box.
Man,
we do love our order.
And it's all Disney. She's happy. I'm happy that she's happy, and I'm just happy that I'm happy. Hopefully you're happy because we got a really great box from Bibbidi Bobbidi.
We did.
Yeah. So check them out. Check out Bibbidi Bobbidi. We're definitely big fans of Bibbidi Bobbidi.
We are.
And we think that, if you're looking for a little Disney love in your house.
Here's the thing. I'm always going to be honest. And the reactions you see from me are completely, they're happening right now. Like, we do not open the boxes before we do them on camera. And if I don't like something, you'll know. And if I love something, you'll know. So it is what it is. So
I love the castle.
Yeah, I'm still.
I love that castle.
Thrilled.
I love this castle.
It was a castle box.
It was a castle box.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. Appreciate
Wrap it
you.
up.
All right. Hey, subscribe, like, click the bell.
Share.
Come check us out on social media. I know our Facebook group is still growing, and we have a lot of interaction over there. We've actually got some spies that are going to the park and going to do some fun stuff.
We are sending them on a mission.
So check us out on social media. Where's Anna? We're still tracking Anna. I know she was in a sunny place, and you might want to go check out the description for possible places that she might be around the YouTube world. And yeah, I think that's about it. Appreciate you being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.
Okay.
Pause.
There's a baby squirrel just rolling around on our yard.
Really?
Like, it's really small. I think it fell out of the tree, maybe.
Oh no. Oh.
It's like super cute. It didn't do any. I like walked right by it.
Do we need to put it in a cage or something?
I think
we
should get like a little box.
No.
Get a towel.
Leave it alone. Let nature take its course.
Absolutely,
Right.
it's a baby squirrel.
The mom might come back for it. You never know if you touch it or move it.
That's a myth.
No,
That
it's
is a
not.
myth.
No, it's
Picking
not.
up a baby animal does not make the mom not take it back.
No, I'm
You're
saying
sharing
if you
with
leave
us
it,
right now.
If you take it, she won't know where it went. Right now, if she went to go get nuts, now when she comes back and sees it, she can pick it up and put it back. Leave it. We'll check on it in an hour.
In an hour, it could be dead.
It'll be fine.
You are heartless.
Okay.
You don't like animals.
Dude, we're not putting this in the video.
We
Okay.
might put this in the video. This is pretty funny.
This is
Put it in the
hashtag.
box.
Comment below real life.
I don't
okay?
know. What do we
Hashtag.
do with a baby squirrel? Should we pick it up? I don't know.
By the time this video airs.
We'll have done something.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I'm
Okay.
just gonna hold my
We still have some
castle.
weight in here, so there's still some more stuff. Got some foozles.
Pause. What?
I went out to look at the baby squirrel one time. I brought a shoe box and a little towel. And there's two baby squirrels. One's dead.
Oh.
I think
Do you think they fell out?
maybe they either fell out, a cat got to them, or something.
Trace, there's nothing we can do for it.
Maybe the mom's dead.
Do you realize what the editing is going to be on this video now?
Oh, boo-hoo, you'll have
This
to
isn't
clip
a
out a
one-take.
segment.
Then you need to get on the phone and call wildlife
Animal control.
and say, is there anything that can be done for this? You can't just put it in a box. How's it going to eat?
People keep squirrels as pets?
No.
Yeah? You have
No.
to get rid of the cats.
No.
Okay.
Okay, we got to.
We got to finish this video.
I don't want to just leave them out there.
Please, for the love of Pete, can we finish the video?
My heart's too big. You raised me too well.
Well, that's good. All right.
Okay. Foozles.